Best tool in the kitchen, hands. There's so much you can do with your hands. Like cracking eggs. When cracking eggs, instead of cracking them on the edge of a bowl, crack them on a flat surface. Give a light tap on the counter until you hear a little crack. Then, have a look at the crack in the shell. Put your thumbs in the cracked area, turn it over, and pull the shell apart so the egg goes into the bowl. Compost the eggshell, then check to see if there's any shell bits left in the bowl. You only want the egg yolk, the egg white, and the chalaza. Herbs, picking and tearing leaves. The best tools for working with herbs are your hands. Herbs are our flavor makers in recipes and are easy to grow in a pot or garden. Pluck the leaves from the stems of any herbs. Take the leaves and tear them into the size you need for the recipe. Afterward, be sure to smell your fingers as they will smell delicious. Tearing cheese. Many soft cheeses, such as cheddar or mozzarella, can be torn into smaller pieces instead of using a grater. Some cheeses can also be crumbled into a recipe. Greasing a pan. Greasing a pan is like finger painting, but with butter. Get right in there and smear a little butter around the pan, being sure to get right into the edges, corners, and sides. Otherwise, whatever you put into the pan to bake or cook may not come out when it's done. Mixing ingredients. Shape your hands like a claw, then mix the ingredients together until they are one color. If you're adding wet ingredients to the bowl, make your hand into a fist and make a well or a hole in the dry ingredients. Dough, mixing with one finger. To combine wet and dry ingredients, the best tool to make dough is one finger. With your index finger, start making little circles to bring together the wet and dry ingredients. Little circles can become bigger circles until the dough starts to come together into a shaggy mass. Just roll the dough off your finger and you're good to go. Kneading dough. Kneading dough is just plain satisfying. You get to be part of the process of turning wet and dry ingredients into a smooth dough. Scrape your shaggy dough onto a floured work surface. Push the dough flat, then turn the dough. Fold the dough in half toward you, then push it away from you. Scrape up the bits left behind and put on top of the dough. Turn the dough, fold it in half toward you, stretch and push the dough away from you. Once you've got this, you can speed up the kneading and really feel the need to knead. Raise your hand if you know the best tool in the kitchen.